I shorted Bitcoin in the morning, guys, but I think maybe, just maybe, I'm going to long within the next couple of hours. I'm literally waiting for my setup to hit right now. I'm going to give you the idea for a long and where exactly I'm planning to get the long and if I'm going to close the short, because as you can see, Bitcoin has moved as expected and as prepared. Yesterday, we made a quick video called and titled The Best Area to Short Bitcoin, and I basically explained the two ideas, possible ideas. If one does not play out, I'm going to be waiting for the other one. I obviously told you guys that when Bitcoin was at 100.4, that either we get a short at this area. If we reclaim 101, then I'm going to be waiting for 103.6, 104, as you can see. And I basically just waited for the hit of this anchored view up, and I also just waited for the volume profile pull, as you can see, waited for this fake out, making it seem as if we're going to go above, and I immediately jump into a short on weeks. As you can see, I'm making some nice profits day trading Bitcoin every single day, given the best setups on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum, as you can see. So hopefully, guys, you're going to enjoy this. I promise that I'm going to start making videos every single day, and also the live streams are going from Monday to Friday, so make sure you also subbed. And most importantly, we also got the free Telegram channel in the description. As you can see, we always got the free Telegram channel where I try to post any important updates. But right now, let me explain to you guys where exactly am I going or planning to close my short, or it is best to just have it open, because I think that Bitcoin will or might offer us a great reactions. Firstly, let me explain to you guys where I'm planning to short and long Bitcoin in terms of scalps. Firstly, I've got an idea to maybe, just maybe, long Bitcoin. I've got an idea, as you can see here, because we had actually seen the dump. I made some profits right now. As you can see, I literally entered from the top on Bitcoin at 103.1, and now we are dropping down. And as I told you guys, every time we go down, I'm looking and searching for long. So right now, I've got this area of interest from 101.2 back down to 108, and maybe if we see 100.8, if we see a drop back below to 101.2, we drop below it, and then if and only if we reclaim 101.2, then I might be interested, to be honest, in getting into a long, and this will be actually some nice long. But if we do not hold this line, then obviously I'm going to cancel the idea for a long, and I'm going to keep all my shorts from this area, as you can see. So maybe this would be the area to scalp long Bitcoin. But most importantly, let me break to you guys where are the big, large, better, much better setups for long and shorts on Bitcoin, because on the higher time frame right now we are still range bound on Bitcoin. We've been ranging for the past 5 days, and obviously, as I told you guys, the best short and long to be had on the higher time frame would be obviously to go up for the high of the range. If we go back above 105 and then try to break the resistance and fail to break it, this would be actually nice, because we're testing 105 and also taking liquidity from the upside. So the best closest short, if you have missed actually the short I said or talked about yesterday, then you have to wait for a retest of 105, a fail to break 105, a fall back below 104.5, then this would be actually the entry for a short if we get offered that. And I also have an idea for a long. If we go below 98.8, we either do a little scalp by entering a long of a fake out, but I'd much prefer, to be honest, for Bitcoin not only to take these lows but still to hit the 97,000 target as, or my target for a long, to be honest. So I'm waiting to get into a long either at just weekend 98.8 or the much preferred scenario at 97,000. And I also lastly want to share an important pattern that maybe would share the idea. If all my longs and shorts happen in a certain sequence, then maybe this would actually give us a pattern that is actually very, very bullish, guys. Let me right now turn it on. As you can see, maybe, just maybe, we can have this idea. We have entered a short from here. It is not still valid because I'm actually like drawing it before too early, because technically the harmonics would be actually traded here, like you enter along here and then this would be actually considered a bullish harmonic, but we haven't fully confirmed it. We haven't even formed even like 30% of it, but I'm trying to actually plan ahead of time and brainstorm with you guys. So maybe if we get offered a long here, then I'm going to be also thinking about a short here, and then lastly a long here. So see how I gave you the ideas for a long and a short and then a long, but I also gave you the harmonic that would maybe possibly give us or share the idea of these three ideas for longs and shorts happening in a certain sequence. Well, to be honest, it doesn't matter, to be honest, because we can obviously go back or go up, get the short, and then maybe get the long without this little one happening. So it doesn't matter, to be honest, what kind of sequence we get or order we get these trades in. But to be honest, I'm just waiting for them because we also have 2 days and 22 hours remaining on the daily competition, guys. If you want to actually jump in and start trading and joining in because you have a possibility and a chance to get the daily price pool of $600 every single day. I always got the first link in the description. Only 2 days remaining. Thanks for watching, guys.